Most people on this channel aren't beginners anymore. You've done the work, you've taken the courses, you've studied the frameworks, you've followed all the right paths, and yet nothing has clicked. If you feel like you've done everything right, but nothing has clicked yet, this video isn't here to push you harder. It's here to explain why learning more might be the exact thing that's keeping you stuck. You know, it's not about discipline. It's all about direction. And the first truth that we're going to sit with today is you aren't confused. You are overexposed. Too many paths are open at the same time. Too many options are still on the table. Every framework, every course, every strategy feels a little bit promising. And then when everything is possible, nothing becomes real. And you see, that's the real problem. It's not a lack of information. It's not a lack of effort. You're not missing something outside you. You're missing a decision inside you. Learning feels productive. That's why we keep doing it. It feels like forward progress. It feels like we're getting ready for something. But most people mistake motion for movement. Clicking next lesson feels like progress, even when it doesn't actually move your business, your offers, or your confidence forward in any real way. The online income space rewards endless participation. It always rewards learning, scarfing up every program. But here's the truth. If learning alone worked, you would already be free. You don't need more knowledge. You need fewer options. And that's not a reflection against you at all. It's a reflection against the pattern. I didn't move forward when I finally found the right strategy. I moved forward when I stopped trying to hold 5 of them at once. The moment wasn't about a new system. It was about permission to ignore 4 out of the 5. And the moment I allowed myself to do that, momentum appeared almost immediately. Not because the strategy suddenly changed, but because my attention finally aligned with what was important. Learning is not the enemy. Timing is the issue. Learning without commitment becomes avoidance. The more options you keep open, the less pressure you feel to bet on one of them. And here's the line you can keep coming back to. Clarity doesn't come from adding options. Clarity comes from closing doors. And that's why this series is called Clarity Before Strategy. Before you choose what to build, you have to choose what to ignore. Because in the online world, direction is the rarest kind of strategy. So this episode is not about steps. It's not about which system to use. And it's not about how many ideas to track in a spreadsheet. It's about asking, before you choose what to build, have you actually chosen what to ignore? You see, that's the work most people skip. They skip it because it feels uncomfortable. It feels like saying no intentionally, like letting some of the possibility fall away. But what remains when you close a few doors is more energy, more focus, and finally, more real clarity and direction. So inside my community, we slow all this down. Not to plan forever, not to revamp every day or every week, but to choose one direction and stop second guessing it. To actually try something long enough to see whether it bends toward results instead of throwing it out the moment it feels uncertain. If that sounds like relief, you'll find the link below to explore more fully. And if not, that's okay too. Let this episode be permission to notice one thing you've been holding open that no longer needs your attention. In the next episode, we'll talk about why the paycheck feels safer than it actually is. and what that belief does to your willingness to step into real work on your own terms and build the life that you really want to build. See you in the next video.